Welcome to the Gobi Desert Mulchert, where silence stretches farther than the eye can see. Here, summer burns above 45 degrees Celsius, and winter freezes below -40.
Winds carve the land like artists, shaping dunes that move with time.
Yet life endures crafins, hidden roots, wild camels, and flowers that bloom after rain.
For centuries, nomads have crossed these sands, following stars and whispers of wind.
Beneath these sands lie stories older than time. The bones of giants and vanished worlds. And when night falls, the desert awakens in starlight, endless, silent, eternal.
The Gobi Desert, a place of stillness, survival, and the quiet heartbeat of Earth.